Amazon Rainforest Introduction. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most important ecosystems on our planet. It spans across 9 countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela, covering an area of over 5.5 million square kilometers. Environmental Importance 1. Biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to approximately 10% of the known species of plants and animals on Earth. It contains over 40,000 plant species, 2.5 million insect species, 1,300 bird species, and 430 mammal species. 2. Climate regulation. The rainforest plays a vital role in regulating the global climate by absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of global warming. 3. Natural resources. The rainforest provides numerous resources, including timber, medicines, and food. Many modern medicines are believed to be derived from plants found in the Amazon. Threats 1. Deforestation. The Amazon rainforest is threatened by deforestation for agriculture, mining, and urban expansion, leading to environmental degradation and habitat loss. 2. Wildfires. Wildfires, whether natural or caused by human activities, contribute to the destruction of green spaces and adversely affect wildlife. 3. Climate change. Climate change impacts rainfall patterns and temperatures in the region, causing shifts in the ecosystem. Efforts to protect the Amazon. There are numerous local and international initiatives aimed at protecting the Amazon rainforest, including establishing natural reserves, raising public awareness about the importance of the rainforest, supporting local communities in sustainable farming practices. Conclusion. The Amazon rainforest is an invaluable natural treasure, and protecting it should be a global priority. Through collective efforts, we can preserve this unique ecosystem for future generations.